Gondor flat, labeling machine. Labeling machine series. Clear parameter setting. Easy to operate. Automatically recycles labels. Automatically corrects label deviation. Multi-angle flexible alignment adjustment. Adapt to multiple product labeling requirements. High precision and precise measurement. Effectively reduce labeling errors. No bubbles in labeling. Labels are more fit and smooth. Automatic photoelectric tracking. Finished products with neat uniform appearance. Real-time statistical output. Speed can reach 60 to 150 pieces per minute. Labeling products. Label type.